Hi everyone! The other day I bought this planner on clearance from Hobby Lobby, so we're kind of like set it up and maybe do like the monthly layout because I do have a few things going on this month. I've never done a planner video before, so this is something new for me and something for you guys to let me know if this is something that you guys are interested in or not. So yeah, let's just open this up. So I honestly don't even know what this one looks like other than it was I think a vertical layout. So I had found two on clearance. I got one for myself and then one I'm giving to my mom, which I do have here as well. And then I have my old planner that I'm going to be taking my metal disc off of and adding to this one because I break these. I'm very rough with my items, so I kind of just like, I'll get it and then like I'll go like this and toss it aside and then boom, I've broken a disc off before. So yeah, I am not very gentle with things at all. So I chose this one. It's more blue, where this one that I had got from my mom is very colorful, and I did open it up to see if I would like it, and it's just too much colors for me, like the whole rainbow vibe. And in here I'm like, okay, I liked the block style, so I could write, like, I want to try to just use one. I have two right now. I have a social media planner and like a personal planner, but my personal planner I hardly write things on, although lately things have been kind of crazy, but normally it's pretty blank. So I'm going to try to combine the two into one. So this one would have been nice, but it's just too much color for me. So I'm hoping that this one will be better and more my style. So let's see. I could do the florals and like the pastels. Oh, I see a little bit of foiling. I like that. That's always a nice little thing to have. If you're a planner girl, definitely pick these up from Hobby Lobby right now. Like this one was like $9, I think. And oh, I threw away this stuff. And this one is an 18 months. So you see this one goes through December 24th. And so does the other one that I got my mom. So I'm like, okay, we are all set for next year. So let's see. We have our little year calendars here, so I'm going to keep that. I do like these to add like highlight stuff. Like I'll do like birthdays and anniversaries and vacations. So I do use these, so I'm going to leave those in here. And then it goes into July. But July is already done, so I think I'm just going to pull... Oh, good. See, there's not that much color, and I can always add a washi right here. And then I did get the punch on clearance from Hobby Lobby for like $13. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, then here is what the monthly looks like. So yeah, I'm going to pull out July because we're done with that. I don't need that right now. So we're going to pull out August as well. That's really pretty with all the fruit. I could definitely use this to make like a card. I think that would be really cute. Wouldn't that be cute to just use this as like a little card front? And if I do it this way, so I get Life is Sweet, I could probably get 2 cards out of here. So I think I'm definitely going to use that. And then I know stuff like this, people say that they use it for their junk journals. I've never done that, but I mean, that's something I can try. Okay, so September is for like school, so Learn to Grow. Oh, I don't like that this is July over here, so I'm going to have to cover this. I'm going to have to find some stickers, which I did just buy a ton of stickers. Not a ton, actually. I bought, let's see, goals, fruit, floral. Oh, and then this like butterfly one, and then like a budget one. So I do have a ton of other stickers, but these are the ones that I just have right next to me because I just hauled these. I don't think there's any more. So yeah, I'm going to have to change this because I don't like this is July when we're going to start in September. And then I need to fill in my monthly, and then we're good for the rest of the year. Oh, is this a seasonal? Yes. This speaks so much to my heart right here. I love seasonal and holiday stuff. I got so lucky. Oh, I could totally add some clovers over here. Okay, so let's change out the discs now. did try to cheat and do 2 months at once, and it started to bend my October. So I was like, oh yeah, no, let's not do that because I cannot ruin my favorite month of the year, Halloween. So I got like a couple creases right here. I'm not sure if you can tell. So yeah, doing 2 months at a time didn't work for me. So I had to do every month one by one. And then after I had got halfway through, I'm like, I should change to some expander discs, you know, the larger ones, but I didn't pull any out. So I might be changing this later on just to have the larger disc, you know, just in case. Okay, so next we are going to add one envelope. I like to have one because you just never know when you're gonna need it. And then I did just haul this from Hobby Lobby. It's on clearance for 99 cents. And it's like a book to hold all your passwords, and it's in alphabetical order. So what I did was I just took out one of these pages and I just ripped it out. So that's what I have here. And you know what? I am gonna need more than one because I think I'm gonna do one page for social media and then one page for like my bills and like personal. So I'll need 2 of those, and then should bring out my paper trimmer, and I'm just gonna cut these off. I know I have inside some of the inserts that have the pockets, so I should probably get one of those so I could put my little password stuff in. Maybe it'll fit in this envelope for now, so we could go ahead and try that also. So I really like these. I don't know what the date section is for, but you know, I can definitely put like, you know, like my Gmail, and then put, you know, my user and my password on there. And then I don't know what this date section is for on here. Is that like the date that you changed it or something? I don't know. So I'll have to figure that out. And then let's see, once I fill those out, would they fit into here? No, not really. So I do need to find one of the inserts that has the little pockets so I could put those in there. And then let's go back to September. Okay, I need to find something to cover up the July. I can't see if you guys can see. I need to cover up the July because I'm starting in September. And then, oh, hold on. Okay, I'm such a dork. So I had ripped it out when I was ripping out the months that already passed that I don't need. So here's September, but on the other side of this, July has the yearly calendar. So I want that. So I'm going to just get some tape runner here. And we are just going to go ahead and add this. We're going to just tape them together. So we pop this one in here and create a new page. Let's see, are these going to stick well together like this? Is that lined up? I think it is. Okay, so now I have like a whole new page. So here's my yearly, and then here is September. So now I don't have to cover up the other one. I mean, I could have easily just covered up the July and, you know, pulled out a September sticker from somewhere. But, I mean, this was easy enough that I just went ahead and I just used some quick little tape to glue those together. So that worked out. Lined it up pretty well. So we'll leave that there. Now let's see. Important priorities, take notes. This I'll probably fill in with like social media stuff as I get more information for this month. And let's see. Let's do our monthly here. Okay, since this video is getting kind of long, I looked through the sticker books. I pulled out what I need. It's on the side over here for as far as stickers that were in the books that I have right here. I'm gonna need to go inside and get more stickers because there's some things that I don't have. So decoration wise, I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I wrote down everything. I do it on a sticky note, and then like even for like October, I need to pull a sticky note off. Like I'll take this one off, and then I'm gonna put it in October because I do have things over here that I have going on that I know for sure. So I have like, I'm going to Vegas in October, and then I have dad appointments that I need to write down. And I think that's it for October. So I do everything like on little sticky notes so I can just go through. So my monthly is like my thing that I like have to have filled in. I will use this more than I even use the weeklies. So yeah, I like have to fill this out. So today's Labor Day. See, I need to go get my Labor Day stickers. I know I have a ton of those, but I found like little scissors. So I'm going to put that right here because I did cut Sunny Boy's hair today. So that will work. Let's see. So I needed to do that because, see here, I need a Mickey sticker. We are going to Disneyland. And then I need to go get a Mickey sticker for that. So let me go here. Let's see, Disneyland here. So I have appointments for my dad. See, and I don't even know if this is like really interesting or if you guys need to be knowing like all my business. I don't know. Let me know if you're like, girl, this is too much. So let's see, 9/8. Oh, does this fit in here? In that box? Oh yeah. Oh, you know what? I should take out my little tweezers. Let's do that. So that fits there. There, my dad has an appointment, and here we have another one. And then I go back to Disneyland here. So I have Oogie Boogie. Two G's are one. Whoops. Oogie Boogie Bash. And then there's basically Disneyland. And then sadly we go home. My sad little face. Okay, I'm dreading writing this one down because it makes it reality. I need to get a little cross out of my stash. So I've talked about him before, especially during COVID. I was taking care, well, I still take care of my aunts now who are in their 80s who live together. And then I had my uncle and his wife who are in their 90s. And unfortunately, my uncle did pass away. So we have his services this Saturday. So, am I right? Uncle Rossi. And his is at 10 a.m. So I need to get a little cross right here to put for his services. Oh, God, that's going to be a hard one. Okay. I'm like, not that I try to like act like it didn't happen. Like I know it happened, but I'm kind of trying to act like no, it didn't happen, you know, like I don't want to come to the realization of it, you know. So I have a birthday here. I have two over here. And I just dropped my pin. So I have a birthday there. That's gonna shine through. So I need to not forget to look into my ID. My birthday was in July. I renewed my driver's license and I still have not received that yet. So I need to find out what's going on with that. And then I have an appointment for my car. How weird, in the sticker books that I pulled out, there was not any car note or like car stickers. So I need to do that. So yeah, this is pretty much it for right now. This video is already taking kind of long, so I won't bore you with too much stuff, but yeah, that's basically it. I will add more decorations. Maybe I'll share this like again next week with you guys, so you guys can see a little bit more decorated, because I do need to go get some other stuff from inside the house. But that's pretty much it for now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.